Today on Brandon and Kimberly show, we're gonna talk about the way you look at people. No, I'm just kidding. We're gonna talk about how.
Sexiness. Just kidding.
We're just gonna talk
about clothes. I mean, how people get mad, angry. Let's do that.
No,
today.
let's not do that. No.
What number was that?
Well, I'm just gonna put a sequence on every video I've made. Okay, like the Flying Ninja Turtle, the sexy workout. Everyone has been. I don't know what sneezing does, but we're gonna sneeze in this video, and let's try it. Achoo! 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 Oh! Achoo! Achoo! Pew! 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 We're done. This is our sneezing video. Who sneezes louder? Let's try. Achoo! It's me that sneezes louder. Goodbye.